What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV back with another helpful tutorial. Today we're going to cover how to set up autoresponders inside your cPanel account. This is a great feature if you want to automatically reply to incoming emails, perfect for vacation messages, customer service acknowledgements, or any other situation where you want your contacts to get an instant reply when you're away. Autoresponders are included with all of RackNerd's cPanel shared and reseller hosting plans, so if you already have a hosting account with us, you're good to go. Before we begin, make sure that you've created an email address within your cPanel hosting account. If you have not done that yet, no worries. cPanel makes it easy to create an email account under your domain. And of course, if you haven't signed up for hosting yet, head over to RackNerd.com for reliable, affordable hosting with cPanel access. Let's get into the tutorial. Start by logging into your cPanel. Once you're in, scroll down to the email section and click on the autoresponder icon. This is where you can view, edit, and add new autoresponders for any of your domain-based email addresses. To create one, just go ahead and click on Add Autoresponder. You'll now see a form where you can configure the details of your automatic reply. Set the character set to UTF-8 if it isn't already selected. This ensures proper formatting for your messages. Then set the interval, which controls how often the autoresponder will send a reply to the same email address. For example, if you set it to 8 hours, cPanel won't send another auto reply to the same sender until 8 hours has passed. Next, choose the email address you want the autoresponder tied to for the from and subject fields. Enter the name and subject line you want the recipient to see. Below that, type the message you want to be sent as your automatic reply. You can use plain text or even HTML if you want to format this message nicely. You can also choose a start and stop time for when the autoresponder will be active. This is useful if you only want it running during a specific vacation period or specific business hours. Once everything looks good, just click Create. Your autoresponder is now active and ready to send out automated replies based on the settings you've configured. And there you go, your autoresponder is now set up and running. It is a small feature with a massive impact, keeping your communication professional even when you're away. RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you full control over your email environment with tools like this built right in. If you're not hosting yet with RackNerd, check out our hosting plans at RackNerd.com. They're packed with value, performance, and all the cPanel tools you need to grow your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more tips here on RackNerd TV. With that said, talk soon.